Graddedigion, ladies and gentlemen, fel ganghellor, gai croesio rawn I chi gyd i'r seremoni hwn sydd â chlysur o'r addrochag arbennig yn mwyd y rai ohonoch chi sy'n dathlu heddiw. Uchel pwynt, sawl blynydda o ymdrech a gwaith caled, llongerffradiadau mawr I chi gyd. May I, as Chancellor of the University, wish you a very warm welcome to this ceremony. It's a very special day for all of us, and particularly special this year because so many of you have been able to come back. It's wonderful to be here in your presence. And therefore, for people who graduated a year or so ago, or 2 years ago, and those who've graduated this year, it's a wonderful occasion and marks the celebration of the achievement of many years of hard work and effort. Many, many congratulations. But first, before I say a little more, I wanted you to join me in a particular thanks, and that's to thank the staff and teachers of the university. They've enabled you, and we've lived through very difficult times, to gain the achievement in those times which we celebrate today. They've given you, I'm sure, very enjoyable times, but as importantly, they've helped you when times have been tough and difficult. You'll always remember them. And therefore, what I'd like you all to do is to join me and stand up and express the real thanks that we and you owe to all of them. So many, many thanks. As you all know, Aberystwyth University delivers teaching excellence, which draws on the world-leading research being undertaken here. Abers offers each of you, as it does to each student, an experience which will have changed your lives forever. The time's gone very quickly. No doubt Freshers' Week seems, even for those who've been away a couple of years, like yesterday. As you've worked on your courses and have taken part in numerous activities, you've enjoyed deploying the learning and skills you've required. You've relished questioning and challenging ideas, particularly with your fellow students. And those of you who've come back after being away a year or two, I'm sure you've enjoyed challenging and going after the ideas that you learnt here and seeing how those have been tested in the world. In Aberystwyth, each of you will have also learnt much about yourself. That's because Aber is special, its sense of community, its welcoming environment, and its capacity to forge lifelong friendships. Each of you is now in every way self-confident, prepared for the next step in your life, and ready to take advantage of whatever comes your way. You've had the particular benefit of studying in one of the great institutions of Wales, which is celebrating its 150th anniversary this year. Wales is a nation with a long history, but like this university, one with a young spirit, which is the gateway to the wider world, one that is innovative and one well prepared for the future, because like you, it has to be prepared, as you all now know from the times that we've lived through. Aberystwyth University has always had a duty to Wales and its language and culture, from the moment it was founded with the help of so many across Wales. It's rooted in Wales, but connected globally, open to the world and determined to compete internationally. As a university, we have a wonderful history, but are now addressing the issues of the 21st century. Sustainability, particularly in the field of agriculture and renewable resources, addressing climate change, and to many of you here today, dealing with the consequences of the fourth industrial revolution or the digital age, whatever you prepare to call it, and you know how that is changing all our lives. As a university, we know we must work to help to strengthen the economy, to develop skills. We are accountable to our students, our staff, community, and our governments. However, we are autonomous, and academic freedom is so important, and we intend to ensure that we maintain that freedom and all that it brings. Fe ywch chi hefyd a bydd y proffoddiad astudio mewn prifysgol yn Gymru, a'r dimensiwn arbennig roedd hyn i chi. Mae Prifysgol Aberystwyth wedi bod eiriod ac mae'n parhau i fod yn hollol ymwybodol o'i roi bwsgyd i gefnogi Cymru, a'r iaith Cymraeg a'n diwylliant. You are now ready to embark on this next stage of your life. And those of you who are back after 2 years have found what an interesting experience that is. Each of you, whether graduating now or graduated a year or two ago, knows that you've acquired from study at Aber the ability and skills to realize your potential. However, like everyone who's gained any qualification, like me at my age, you have to go on learning. The world is changing at a pace that is ever increasing in ways that it's impossible to predict. Now, a year or two ago, you might have thought, well, there's nothing in that. But you all now know from the last 2 years that we have to be ready to adapt and face the unexpected. The pandemic, the war in the Ukraine, and the return of inflation, about 3 matters that have changed everything. What you will be required to do is to adapt, and adapt fast. But don't be frightened of that, because you have learnt here at Aberystwyth how to adapt. You've gained the skills and knowledge to thrive in a changing world. Therefore, build yourselves on what you've achieved. But at the same time, recognize you have particular responsibilities. And may I mention 2. First, putting something back into society. And secondly, making a difference for others in whatever you may do. And now to the stars of today, the graduates. Enjoy the limelight, the thrill of your success, which you're celebrating in the company of those who delight and are so proud of your achievement, your teachers, your friends, and above all, your family. Roedd heddiw I bob ohonoch chi, ffordd yn dydd llawen gyda rai sy'n golygu gymaint chi. Have a memorable day. Enjoy yourselves as you leave with the best wishes of the university from this celebration. As graduates of Aberystwyth, your alma mater, I know that you know there'll always be a welcome for you here. All of you are our future. We are proud of each and every one of you, and we are confident that each of you will fulfill your potential. Many congratulations again. Llongyfarchiadau mawr chi unwaith eto. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.
Gorau awen gwirionedd. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol y cynhelir cynlluniad awdurdodedig heddiw yma yn nhref Aberystwyth. Trwy awdurdod siarter brenhinol Prifysgol Aberystwyth, yr ydym yn ymgynnull I dderbyn i'w priod wobrau fyfyrwyr sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y Prifysgol a trwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfrw wobrau. Dathlwn ei llwyddiant yn y gobaith y cant fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethau ei hoes a'i cenhedloedd, a thrwy ei hymdrechion a'i cylfyniadau y cyfrannant at wybodaeth a bydd cenedlaethau I ddod ac ymrafal ar heriau sy'n wynebu ein byd. Nid byd, byd heb wybodaeth. Gorau awen gwirionedd, the best inspiration is truth. Let it be known to members of the university and to all here present that today an authorised congregation is being held here in the town of Aberystwyth. By the authority of the Royal Charter of Aberystwyth University, we meet to receive to their appropriate awards those students who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of their awards. We celebrate their success in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their countries. but also that through their efforts and achievements, they may contribute to knowledge and well-being for future generations and confront the challenges that face our world. A world without knowledge is no world at all. Nid byd heb wybodaeth.
Before we start this morning, it is extremely warm. So there are a couple of people still wearing jackets. Do feel free to remove them if it is warm. And graduands, as we go through the ceremony and you've crossed the stage, do please take your hats off if you would like. It will make a difference. And I'm going to just remind my colleagues on the stage that they also have permission to remove their hats. Okay. So thank you for coming. Now, the first award of this ceremony is being awarded posthumously. Colleagues on stage will now stand to observe, and what we will do is Professor Thomas will be announcing the award for Abby, and we will then have some silence as we go forward before I award the award. So, Professor Thomas.
Anrhydeddus is ganghellor cyhoeddodd I fyfyrwyr o hadran ni I enilloedd y tystysgrif addysg uwch. Abby Daisy Andreu. Abby studied accounting and finance in the business school between September 2018 and February 2020. She made a huge impression on all of us who came to know her. She loved learning. She had the rare ability to get to the heart of a problem and a special flair for exploring new ideas. She held strong opinions on many topics, opinions which she expressed quickly and passionately and sometimes loudly. She had a similar passion for her friends and family. She was a very protective person and those around her who she cared. Abby had a special respect for those who received a university education, and it gives me great pleasure as head of Aberystwyth Business School to formally recognise today that she is and always will be one of our alumni. She touched so many of us, and we remember her with many smiles and much sadness. Thank you, Abby, for coming to Aberystwyth and enriching our community. You'll always be part of it.
Troi hardydod y brifysgol, a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dibynniaf Abby Daisy Andreu i'r tystysgrif addysg uwch, ac I holl ffreniau'r cwmhwsta hwn. And now we celebrate that achievement in the usual way.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, gyflwynaf I chi fyfyriwr o'n hadran ni a enillodd y tystysgrif addysg uwch. Alex Platten.
troi awdurdod y brifysgol y ymtheriedwyd I mi dybaniaf chwi i'r tystysgrif addysg uwch ac I hodd ffreniau'r cwmhwysta hwn.
Bod eich gofal yn wastod dros llwydd ac anryddedd ein prifysgol yn glad.
Turn round. Okay.
Anrydeddus isgynhellol gyflwynaf eich chi fyfyrwyr o hadran ni enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Lysander Bagnall. Ferguson Clemens Howard. Joshua Dovey. Alexander Juton Gazman. Susanna Kishlak. Chelsea Lynch. Matthew Pates. Thomas Owen Parry. David Samuel Priest. Manon Ellen Rees. Jerome Sisson. Michael Taylor. Aled Mark Casper Thomas. Robert Brian Thompson. Anna Jukowska. Carol Gonick. Harrison Plum. Notabo Nku. Jodie Davis. Katarzyna Gabriela Flack. Amanda Lees. Christina Francis Lewis. Samuel Gilbert. Shannon Tate. Samuel Webster. Emma Blair. Anil Campbell. Patrick Dadej. Samuel Dennis. Natalia Drosny. Daisy Hayward Griffiths. Thomas Lancaster. Fila Sala Carolina Lepamaki. Bryony Eve Marr. Luke Peter Morell. William Jonathan Morris. Beata Livia Moji. Adelana Oni. Johnny James Stephen Pike. Kimberly Bethan Sian Richards. Gabrielle Savitsky. Claire Louise Scally. Ryan Jason Thorpe. Garin Williams. Alexandra Daria Kaminsky. Victoria Siniak. April Austin. Hannah Mannion. Tristan Louis Marks Wassam. Thomas Andrew Ernest Pettifer. Alistair Walters. Alex James Faraday. Lily Half Price Jones. Akeen Savage. Camille Shirant. Victoria Mushalik. Paula Adam. Andrew John Hepworth. Clara Molina Putz. Jade Christine Ridgway. Carolina Cheshire. Shannon Mai Evans. Sandra Gabowska. Andrew Lomax. Barbara Nagova. Jack Newbury Wall. Andrea Price. Keris Richards. Barbara Wisniewska. Evelina Wozniak. Malgorzata Vipic. Lewis Olchon Morel. Neil Buchan. Joseph Davis. James Michael Evans. William Allen High. Gabriella Hikova. Nicholas Keith. Saqib Malik. James Roberts. James Sale. Rhys Emyr Sewell. Ian Weller. Carl Hunter. Denver Adams. Amy Louise Kopp. Agatha Souk. Sophie Byram. Tanya Coxon. Carrie Lois Owen. Mateusz Wiedesefer Derek. Jack Christopher Collins. Caitlin Richards. Samuel Rhys Edwards. Matthew Exton. Zoe Louise Kempster. Callum Kitching-Williams. Ewan Lewis. Anna Lloyd Dimitrova. Kyle Rhys-Morris. Olivia Olpaka. Damien Rakotsky. May-Lianne Roden. Harry Trickett. Jing Zhu. Toby Benedict Horner. Jingru T. Benjamin Coulthard. Louis Rajan Templeton Bradshaw. Miles Simon Dolman. Joshua Haylock. Robert Cornelius Jin Shen Bland. Charlotte Burrows. Mary Ellen Evans. Hester Garner Hale. James Edwards Griffiths. Tegan Kaylee Harris. Kitya Jontraru. Kinga Mijal. Carol Marie Baxter Chamberlain. Julia Remizowska. Bartolomei Pindle. Rosa Pomoska. Gabrielle Sitkaskaite.
Everyone, you can sit there. That's it, great. Just those who have crossed the stage in that last period, please be standing. That's fantastic. So, troi ardurdod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd baglo man gwyddoniaeth ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Bod eich gofal yn wastad dros lwydd ac adroddydd ein prifysgol a'n wlad.
And now we celebrate it. And just one more word from me. I understand that Ruth, our service dog, has attended every lecture, which is so a wonderful pleasure to have her here today. Okay, we're off.
Anthroderus Ysganhethlo. Cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'r hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Rebecca Laura Tudor. Sharon Gillian Wright.
Sorry, Andy.
Anrhydeddus Ysganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth. Bartosz Andrzej Skrobucha. Sarah May Elizabeth Adams. Jonathan Robert Astbury. George James Baldwin. Andrew Mitchell. Carl Pothecary. Samantha Steer. Jack Davis. Lawrence Charles Barber. Evangelos Laftsis. Horwon Lam. Harvey Maguire. Kieran Doyle. Danielle Hilary Sharon Stoker. Thomas Joseph Samuel Tarn. Alexander James Tomlinson. Caroline Nielsen. Emily Rebecca Truman. Dylan Elliot Boyer. Ulrich Hegdal. Madeline Penelope Arkle. Owain Rhys Bolch. Michael Oliver Casaletto. Richard Darren Fabianczyk. Evan Thomas Stephen Fuller. Ivan George. Matthew Paul Hughes. Raman Jaff. Peter McGoldrick. Hannah Mitu. Alexandra Eve Penning. Owain Thompson. Eleanor Jane Wheatley. Owen Williams. Erwan Powys Jones. Nicole Reynolds. Patrick David Ashworth. Heather Dara. William Adam Dennis. Mark Forrester. Jeremy Housden. Tusaradri Mahmood. Joshua George Middleton. Harry Mortlot. Thomas Llewellyn Hargreaves. Vilde Agneta Erikstad Haraldsvik. Molly Jean Green. Jack Lloyd Jones. Jonas Vastrand. Joachim Weiss.
Troi awdurdod y Brifysgol o ymthiried oed i mi, dyboniaf chwi I radd baglo mam gwyddoniaeth ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Bod eich gofal yn wastad dros llwydd ac anryddaeth ein prifysgol a'n wlad.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi y fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd baglor mewn peirianneg. Alicia Maria Balica. Frankie May Target. Zachary Wiltshire. Aniko Nemet. Taliesin Wyn Slatter. Josephine Taylor.
Troi ar dydod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd baglo mewn peirianneg ag I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Bod eich gofal yn wastad dros llwydd ac anryddaeth ein prifysgol a'n lad.
Anthryderus Ysganhellor, cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd diploma uwthradedig a brifysgol. Anna Louise Murdoch. Joy Cadwallader. Barry Kennerk.
Troi ar dydod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I ddiploma uwchraddedig a brifysgol ac I holl ffreniau'r cymhwyster hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgolaeth derbyn i'r cymhwyster hwn.
Anrhydeddus Ysganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyriwr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn mathemateg. Miles Jason Clayton.
Rhoi ar dydod y brifysgol ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd athro mewn mathemateg ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol a'r derbyn yn athro.
Anrhydeddus Ysganhellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn Ffiseg. Talina Ann Boradyr. Leandra Crane. Amber Millie Doughty. Thomas Hercombe. Joseph Dunn. Andrew Keith Forster. J. Little. Thomas Outred. Will Alexander Matthew Smith. Eleanor Jane Upton Heath. Joshua James Brown. Joseph Basnett. Lyra Jade Hawkins. Amber McNeil. Oliver Newman. Rowan Bryn Platts. Charlotte Victoria Proverbs. Rachel Rajkovic. Samuel Smith. Fleur Grual. Jamie Richard Dean Hamilton Swingewood. Lynn Alexandra Jan Macaire. Machi Makuch. Joshua McCreary. Owen John Moores. Alex Newman. Jonathan William Gare Ackroyd. Julia Hetmanek. Gregory Kennedy. Bradley Mark Robert Kerrigan. Aidan Phoenix Starfire. Fabian Skiet. Zindra Olhus.
Troi awdurdod y Brifysgol ymtheriedwyd I mi dybyniaf chwi I radd athro mewn Ffiseg ac I hodd ffreniau radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol a'i derbyn yn athrawon.
Anpryderus Ysganhechlo, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro yn y celfyddydau. Alexandra Joanne Esmond. Emma Hollis. Hannah Jane Pomeroy. Gregory Prince St. John. Emma Patricia Brown. Stephanie Rianne Farley. Florence Holland Norris. Daniel Pounds. Thomas Reeves. Christine Saliba. Alessandra Emsley Tiberi. Lisa Jane Williams. Ellen Menai Jones. Imogen Hermione Gilmoyden Blackburn. Susanna Charlotte Burtonshaw. Amelia Brockman Carroll. Oscar Seeger. Katie Eleanor Stone. Lauren Elise Bell. Jared Long. Bethany Hilary Eve O'Donoghue. Elizabeth Jane Piper. Sarah Catherine Stevens.
Troi awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd athro yn y celfyddydau ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol a'ch derbyn yn athrawon.
Anthryderus Ysgan Hethlo, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn Astudiaethau Economaidd Chymdeithasol. Benjamin Grant James. Eileen Ray.
Troi awdurdod y Brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd athro mewn astudiaethau economaeth a chymdeithasol ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y Brifysgol a'ch derbyn yn athrawon.
Anrydeddus Ysgol cyflwynodd i chi fyfyrwyr o hadran ni i enilloedd radd athro mewn gweinyddiaeth Fusnes. Xavier McWilliams.
Troi awdurdod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd i mi, dibynniaf chwi i radd athro mewn gweinyddiaeth Fusnes ac i holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol aeth derbyn yn athrawon.
So,
Anrydeddus Ysgol cyflwynodd i chi fyfyrwyr o hadran ni yn enilloedd radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth. Emily Louise Godfrey. Christian Vasilev Dobrev. Joshua Griffiths. Brendan James Carr. Yvette Schmidt. Angela Sula.
troi awdurdod a brifysgol a ymtheriod o mi, dibynniaf chwi i radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth ac i holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol aeth derbyn athrawon.
Anthryddus Ysgan Hechlo, cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth. Raelin Galea. Christy Jan Tingley.
Troi awdurdod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd i mi, dibynniaf chwi i radd athro mewn gwyddoniaeth ac i holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol aeth derbyn yn athrawon.
Anthryddus Ysgan Hechlo, cyflwyna fi chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd athro mewn ethroniaeth. Benjamin David McManus.
Troi awdurdod y brifysgol ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd athro mewn athroniaeth ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y brifysgol aeth derbyn yn athro.
Anrydeddus Ysganghellor cyflwyno I chi fyfyrwyr o hadran ni enillodd radd doethur proffesiynol. Saif Salem Said Mohammed Al-Hajri.
Troi awdurdod y brifysgol a ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd doethio proffesiynol ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y prifysgol aeth derbyn yn ddoethur.
Anrhydeddus Ysganghellor, cyflwynaf I chi fyfyrwyr o'n hadran ni a enillodd radd doethur mewn athroniaeth. Benjamin Peter Reid. Simon Astley. Rose Cooper. Kerry Hazeldine.
Troi awdurdod y brifysgol ymtheriedwyd I mi, dybaniaf chwi I radd doethio mewn athroniaeth ac I holl ffreniau'r radd hwn.
Hawdd amor eto, da gan y prifysgol aeth derbyn yn ddaethoriad.
Ganghellor, Ysganghellor, da Graddedigion, Cyfaithlion, pleasure o moraf yw cyflwyno Vasia Allen yng Gymraeg Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, prospective graduates and supporters, it is an honour and a privilege to present Vasia Allen as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University. Justice Datuk Vasia Allen bin Median Mira left his home in Penang in Malaysia for Aberystwyth in 1987. He graduated from the Department of Law at what was then the University College of Wales, Aberystwyth. And he is part of a strong tradition of eminent Malaysians who studied at Aberystwyth, including many who were prominent in forming the state of Malaysia following independence in 1957. Vasia, or Vaz as his friends affectionately know him, enjoyed the Aberystwyth experience. Hard work was supplemented by building up many friendships with students from all over the world. He involved himself in the life of the department and is remembered with fondness, not only for his commitment to his studies, but also as a likable and engaging student. And I'm sure he'll tell you that he had fun. Following his graduation in 1989 with an LLB Wales, he returned home to Malaysia and studied for the Malaysian Bar Finals. He then embarked upon a successful career in private practice for over 20 years, joining many other ABBA lawyers in Malaysia. In addition to practicing law, he was an active member of the Malaysian Bar Council, including being treasurer and state bar chair. His abilities were recognized at an early stage of his career. In 2010, he was appointed a judicial commissioner, the first step on the judicial ladder. He came to the judiciary's attention and in 2015 became a permanent member of the High Court. I recall the pleasure that his appointment to the court gave to his friends and colleagues, an elevation he richly deserved. But his judicial career did not stop there. 4 years later, Vasia was appointed a justice in the Court of Appeal, the second most senior court in the Malaysian judicial hierarchy. The court hears appeals from the High Court on civil and criminal matters and consists only of judges of the highest standing. Aberystwyth can be proud that he is one of the leading lawyers in Malaysia. His contributions to legal Malaysia have been recognized through the many royal and state honors conferred upon him. His scholarship is recognized by his appointment as an adjunct professor at the School of Business, Monash University in Malaysia. Vasia is committed to passing on his experience to the next generation. For example, he's a member of the International Advocacy Training Council, which provides advocacy training for young lawyers. For over 30 years, he's been an active member of the Aberystwyth Alumni Club in Malaysia, and he serves as a role model for current and future generations of Malaysian graduates. Vaz has not lost his passion for law that he nurtured at Aberystwyth. A senior lawyer in Malaysia, also an ABBA graduate, said of him, "Vaz is well liked by practitioners for his judicial temperament and admired for the clarity of his judgments. In short, he's a great ambassador for Aberystwyth and a great asset to the judicial system in Malaysia. Both should be immensely proud of his achievements." Ganghethla mein blesser I gyflwyno Vasia Allen Iki yng Gymraeg Prifysgol Aberystwyth. Chancellor, it's my absolute pleasure to present Vasia Allen to you as a Fellow of Aberystwyth University.
i derbyn yn Gwmrod.
Thank you, Professor John Williams, for the kind words of introduction. Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, ladies and gentlemen, I am humbled by the university's conferment of the honorary fellowship. It is an enormous honor and privilege. First and foremost, let me thank the university's council and senate for having considered me worthy of a fellow of the university. I am eternally grateful for the conferral, as it is a recognition of my life's work and contribution to the law and society. I shall forever cherish this day. Aberystwyth has always been a special and close place to my heart ever since I stepped down the train station at the train station on a cold October night in 1987. I had mixed feelings then. Not only had I left a well-paying job to pursue my dream in a career in the law, but had also left behind my 27-year-old firstborn daughter. These trepidations, however, were to vanish the next few days. The first person I met at the train station was Mrs. Meyer Williams, the late Mrs. Meyer Williams. She's truly an angel. She waits at the train station for incoming international students and sees to it that they have transport and lodgings. She offered me a drive to Cottmar, helped me collect my room keys, and saw to it that I had a meal before leaving. I had experienced such Welsh warmth and hospitality throughout my stay in Aberystwyth, and I'm ever so grateful for that. My first encounter with the faculty members of the law department was at enrollment, and the first faculty member that I met was Professor John Williams, who was kind enough to introduce me just now. I was assigned my personal tutor, Mr. Michael Hurst, and introduced to other faculty members. The head of department was Professor John Andrews. The course was taught by an outstanding faculty of professors, readers, lecturers, and tutors. And I enjoyed it very much. The faculty members were specialists in their respective area of law, and were truly inspiring. I can never forget the legal history classes by Mr. Richard Ireland. He was truly a remarkable lecturer who imbued humor in the lectures to make a dry subject very lively. He had such an unusual talent for teaching, and in fact, some will call him an entertainer. And the annual Richard Ireland Memorial Lecture, delivered by Richard Ireland himself, are events still etched in my memory. When asked why a memorial lecture when you're still alive, his answer was, "No one will do it after I'm gone." Malaysians have had a long association with the university. The first Malaysian graduate was Tun Ghazali Shafi in 1951. He went on to have a brilliant career in the civil service and served with distinction as a cabinet minister. There were subsequent graduates who blazed the trail and held high offices, such as the state ruler, central bank governor, chief justice, judges of the superior courts, cabinet ministers, bar council chairman, and leaders of commerce and industry. This association continues to this day with the large number of Malaysians enrolled in various courses in the university. In fact, my classmate Richard T. is here today to attend to his daughter's graduation, and a few days ago, his son also graduated. Our association with the university is now generational. The high quality of teaching and student satisfaction keeps attracting Malaysians to Aberystwyth. And the legal knowledge, as well as research and writing skills that I learned and acquired at Aberystwyth laid the foundation on which my legal career in the law grew and flourished. The Department of Law has contributed immensely to the field of law in Wales, the United Kingdom, and beyond in nurturing legal talent. And I would say in all humility that me standing here today from a land far away, 33 years after graduation, is testament to that fact. Without doubt, Aberystwyth was a springboard for my legal career, first as a lawyer and now as a judge. Aberystwyth has always had a mix of students from many parts of the world, and I made lifelong friends here. My friend Jeremy invited me to spend Christmas with his parents in the south of England, and my friend Neville invited me to spend Easter with his mother in the north of Wales. I readily accepted their invitations. These were wonderful opportunities for me to experience and learn about different cultures. The cross-cultural exposure was useful to gain insight and knowledge as to how others lived. Back home, the friendships established in Aberystwyth continued to grow. My partners in the law practice were Aberites, who still remain very much a part of my life. There was no shortage of clubs and societies to partake in extracurricular activities here. There was something for everyone. This provided for a well-rounded education. I was actively involved in the Malaysian Student Society and the International Evening, both as a participant and Master of Ceremonies. I also took part in the law department debates. This, together with my part-time job as a janitor at Bronglaios Hospital, kept me fully occupied. And one good thing about working as a janitor in Bronglaios Hospital was we all had the same white overalls as the doctors. This excellent atmosphere for learning is primarily the reason why Aberystwyth has been consistently voted as the best university in the UK for teaching quality and student experience, and now the best Welsh University of the Year. To the graduating class of 2022, let me say this: the knowledge and skill that you have acquired at Aberystwyth will put you in good stead for a career that you choose. Be focused, work hard, and always give it your best. Success will be yours. In conclusion, let me say that this is it is an exceptional honor and privilege for me to receive the honorary fellowship by my alma mater. I did not get the opportunity to attend my graduation ceremony in 1989, and I had to return home early. This ceremony feels like a second homecoming to soak in the atmosphere and be part of the graduating class of 2022. I am indeed blessed for that. Thank you once again.
Gyfeillion, raddedigion, llongyfachiadau enfawr I chi, a gyrraedd y diwrnod cyfadoi hwn. Friends, graduates, my warmest congratulations to you in more senses than one on your wonderful achievements and for reaching this significant milestone in your career. Now it's time for you to celebrate with your friends and family, so I promise you these remarks are going to be very, very short. However, there's one last thing that is incredibly important that we do. Around you today, you will see friends, supporters, family members who have been with you and who have supported you practically, emotionally, and probably financially through the toughest of times. And I would like every graduate to stand, to make eye contact with their supporters if they're in the room, and if not, to think of those who can't be with them today and say a really warm and genuine thank you to all of those who have helped you. If you would stand and applaud your supporters. And I'd just like to thank my personal thanks to you, friends, family, supporters, as well as to the academic staff for all you've done over the last few years. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. Whatever the next steps you take in life, we have great pride in knowing that you're now a member of the Aberystwyth alumni. Membership of this family brings with it heritage, credibility and expectation, as well as a sense, as we heard today, of belonging to a worldwide community. We won't forget you. Don't forget us. Keep friends with your friends, and we look forward to welcoming you back. As you know, we're going in to celebrate our 150th anniversary, and it's a milestone that brings into focus the generation of members of the Aberystwyth family who come before you. Please stay in touch, and we will stay in touch with you. I've two notices before we finish. The first is that every year we nominate a charity as the university's Charity of the Year. And this year we've been raising money for the Welsh Air Ambulance that provides such an invaluable service to those of us who live in rural Wales. This service is totally reliant on donations. Should you be able and should you wish to, there are collection buckets on the door that will receive your donation. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi. At the end of the ceremony, would the graduates please just stay in their seats for a few minutes longer, as we have a graduation pin which will be distributed by the marshals to each of you to mark your special day. Now, before you go and celebrate and party, all that remains for me to do is to congratulate you once again, to wish you the very best as you take your next steps, whatever they may be, and to ask you in a second to stand and to join with me in closing our ceremony today in the time-honoured way by being upstanding for the national anthem, Hen Vlad Fy Nhadau, and then to remain standing as the platform party leaves the auditorium. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.